Thank you for tuning in today. This is Heather from Eye of the Beholder, and today I'm bringing you part 2 of the series of my colored prescription contacts I bought online from a Facebook ad. Yes, from Mies Lens, Mislens. All right, so this is also from the New York collection. For those of you who saw the first video, for those who haven't, please do watch that, because I was very happy with these lenses. So now the one we are going to try is called New York Gray. And I did mention in the other video, for those who didn't see it, every single pair you order comes with these cute little carrier and with an applicator suction type of device. I'm not sure. This is way easier than I thought it would be. I really liked it. This is tweezers to pull them out of the case when you go to put them in, I suppose. So we're going to open this travel case up to have it ready. Okay, fill it with some contact solution. And let's get the party started. So, this New York line is a newer one I had not seen advertised before. This is also a new supplier. I normally buy from just random various ones, whoever has the best prices and the color. But this is my newest addition to my collection. Oh my goodness, these are intense. So out of all the contacts I've ordered ever, I would have to say these take the cake as far as the most dramatic transformation. Look at this. They're just, wow. They're amazing. They are glowy. They're so cool. I wish, let me show you in different light tones even. I'm just in love with these. These are too cool. Okay, so moving right along. This is going to be the Go Gray, is in like a Van Gogh, which is super cute, I thought. Wow. Wow, I'm in love with this New York line. It is so detailed. They're very, some can be very flat and some can be very, you have a lot of dimension and detail in them. And sometimes it's hard to find, well, of either variety that is effective or that looks like the ad, or these look better than the ad. I love every one so far. I'm getting really good at picking my colors. This is just too fun. I'm freaking out. So, and then the last one is another brand. Regular Polar Lights is the brand. Gray, I'm about to put in next. So this one should be cool. I don't know. I've never tried Polar Lights before. I've tried a lot of brands. Polar Lights is new to me. I've seen them around a lot. I just have not bought them yet due to there being so many great options on these sites. It probably sounds too good to be true when you see it on Facebook. This is literally true. It's wonderful. It's too much fun. You don't have to go to the eye doctor. If you know your prescription, you just enter it. And you can change your eye color in the blink of an eye, more or less. Okay. See, these are less intense, but they can also be very fun. Sometimes you want something more subtle, or ooh, these look very cool. They're very natural looking. Let's see. All right. What do I think? Ooh, okay. So my makeup's getting destroyed in the process, but that's to be expected. I should honestly not be wearing makeup when I'm leaving my contacts, but you know, I'm stubborn. What can I say? This is Polar Lights Gray on dark brown eyes with destroyed makeup. So, but you get the picture. So if you're on the fence about trying these, or if you didn't know about them, this is a whole new galaxy of fun for girls who are into makeup or changing your appearance extensions. This all is hand in hand to that artistic self-expression that I enjoy so much. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I certainly have. Now I can decide which one I'm going to wear. Ooh, so many great decisions. I'm so pleased with this purchase. So it's Mies Lens, Mislens. I found it on Facebook. It just appeared in my feed. But you can go to their website. They were very cheap. I'll put all that information up for you to view for yourself. And thanks for tuning in. I'll bring you the best reviews on the very best of products from a very curious mind. So stay tuned.